Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome to the YouTube channel. So I just want to show you guys in this video a trade I missed. I did not take this trade. Okay, I actually took the UHF trade, which is my previous video. If you're yet to watch that video, please do watch the previous video before this one. Okay, the episode one of my trade videos. Okay, I took that UHF trade, but for this Eurocard buy trade, I did not take it. So the market gave us a market maker model for a buy setup. Okay, but I missed it. I didn't take it. So, but I just want to show you guys what I would have done if I was online. When the setup happened, I actually placed a buy limit on that trade, but I missed it totally just by a few pips. But the trade was a good one, so I just thought to still show you guys so you can learn from them. Okay, so I trade basically the market maker model on this channel, and this is a typical example of what I want to see point on my 15 minutes time frame before taking trades. Okay, I'm just doing this for the newbies here. The OGs already know how we trade. I try as much as possible to explain the chart patterns I want to see on my 15 minutes time frame, which is my entry time frame, before taking the trade. But most importantly, I ensure that I trade alongside higher time frame order flow. So if my H4 time frame is giving me a bullish momentum, I want to watch out for buy setups on the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so that's the first thing you have to do. So trading the market maker model for a buy, you want to see price break out from your Asian range, sweep liquidity before tapping into a demand zone. Now, this demand zone can either be an order block or a fair value gap. These are the two basic um, point of interest I always watch out for before taking trades. So once I see that happen, the next thing I want to see is a change of character. So once I see the change of character happen, I want to see a retracement back to the other block, the redefined other block, and I target my 1:2 or the Asian eye. Okay, that is for a buy. So this is what I want to see in my 15 minutes time frame before taking trade. Now let's dive into the Eurocard chart. Let me show you guys a typical example of what it looks like in live charts. Okay, guys, so this is my Eurocard chart, as you can see here. Okay, so let's switch over to the 4 hours time frame to observe the order flow. Now clearly, guys, can you see that the market has been breaking structures to the upside? Let me just show you guys practically. Okay, so this is, can you see that actually we had price drop from here, price drops from here to this level and we traced back to the upside, did a little retracement and started breaking structures to the upside, as you can see right here. Market started breaking structures to the upside. If you've not watched my change of character video, please do what to go watch the video. So can you see that my market structure on the higher time frame was obviously bullish, as you can see right here. Price change from a bearish momentum, as you can see right here, to a bullish momentum. So when I saw this, I was just watching out for buy setups only, waiting to see a buy module point on my 15 minutes time frame. So as you can see, this just happened some few minutes ago. Price just hit TP on this particular pair some few minutes ago. Now let me show you guys. My first reference point is I want to see my market maker buy module point below my Asian low. This is the Asian low. Yeah, this is the Asian high. So I want to see my the market maker buy module point below my Asian low, and that's what exactly happened. Now let me show you guys. My reference point in this particular trade, guys, was this fair value gap. This was the fair value gap I used. Let me show you guys. Can you see this fair value gap right here? So this right there was a fair value gap that I used. So let's trace it. Let's drag it to the current market price. Let's see what actually happened. Can you see that price tapped into it and bounced to the upside? Now let me zoom in so you can see what actually happened. Can you see that this fair value gap that I just showed you guys, price reacted off from it? Can you see what price did when it got into it? It tapped it and bounced off. That one. But before that happened, can you see that right here we had liquidity sweep? Can you see this liquidity sweep right here? Remember I said that before price taps into my demand zone, price must take out liquidity. So clearly we had liquidity sweep right there before price now came and did what? Tapped into my demand zone and bounced off of it. The next thing I want to see is what? A change of character. And guys, this was our change of character, as you can see right here. If you don't know how to spot your change of character, you would have problems with this strategy. So you might want to go watch my video on change of character and how to spot them yourself. Okay, to help you a lot. So this right there was our change of character. And the next thing I want to see is a return back to order block. So this was our redefined order block. This bearish candle was what sponsored the break out of this neckline zone. Okay, so we draw our new demand zone, our new redefined demand zone right there, as you can see. Okay, so this was the spot to which I would have entered for a buy if I saw this trade. Okay, but I missed it, guys. That's why I'm not showing you any screenshots. Can you see? I would have just targeted 15 pips on this trade and targeted a risk reward ratio of 1:2, targeting 30 pips, and this just smashed TP. As you can see, a clean 1:2 risk to reward on this particular trade, and this would be a very good point to want to take your TP. Why? Because there's a possible there's every possibility that market might just reverse from this resistance area. But can you see that 1:2, which is always our normal profit target, was smashed here? This was a very clean trade, as you can see right here. So this is the trade that I actually missed. But as you can see, I'm just repeating patterns here, guys. It's so easy. You have to train your eyes to see these patterns when they form. You know why? Because the market maker will not make this pattern so obvious for you to see. But as you begin to train yourself over time, you will see that these patterns, they repeat themselves and it will be easy for you. Most important thing is avoid trading the news. Follow your higher time frame order flow. Go down to your 15 minutes and watch out for these patterns. And once you see them, take them. Now, guys, I'm not saying you would win all of your trades because there are no 100% win rate strategies. But the thing is, for every 10 trades you take, you start knowing that you're getting better with this strategy when you're able to win at least 6 to 7 trades out of every 10 trades. So you should have at least 60 to 70% win rate. That's when you know you're beginning to understand the way this market model strategy works. So guys, if you have questions, do what to use the comment sections and I'll reply ASAP. If you're yet to subscribe to this YouTube channel, you're missing a lot because I drop quality content on how I trade on a daily basis on this YouTube channel and you don't want to miss it. So do what to use the subscribe button, click on it, like this video so that the YouTube algorithm can suggest the video to other YouTubers, to other forex traders like you, and let's grow this channel together, guys. Thank you guys for taking our time to watch from the beginning to the end, and I'm sure you've gotten value for your time spent on this channel. So see you guys in my next video. Take care, guys. Bye.